Kaninyong tanan.
Mayong udto.
Oy, nakaintindi isa. Okay, sir, una muna, next week adjourn sinigina yung Kongreso, but why until now there is no schedule for the confirmation of Energy Secretary Jerry Copitiala?
Well, that's my discretion. I feel that he has not been an effective Secretary of Energy. At makikita naman natin ngayon, dami nagko-complain. Ang mahirap sa energy sector is that you will not know that there is a problem until 5 years from the time the mistake was committed. So, kung may kakulangan ngayon ng power, it was something that the department and the entire leadership did not do in 2010 and 2009. Ganun po yan eh. So, sa ngayon po, kung anumang uumpisin nilang power plant will only be felt by us in 2019. So there's a big lag time. At siyempre, ang reaksyon muna ng tao is that, uy, nasan yung power? Ba't kulang ngayon yung power? Hindi naman tayo pwede bumili ng ever-ready battery na isaksak na sa mga generating plants. So, I have seen that they have hardly moved in the organization of the energy program since 2010. At quiet lang po ako noon because they're just beginning, they're getting their feet wet, they're getting to learn the ropes. 2011, 2012, sinabi ko na sa secretary noon, before Secretary Pitilla, Chief, we're going to have a shortage. You better bring down the cap rate from 62 to 32 temporarily. Hindi nila ginawa. Medyo timid sila, hindi tamad, timid. Okay. 2013, pumutok. Sabi ko, that was the only time they lowered the cap rates after the rates already went up across the board in Luzon by about 4 pesos and 15 centavos per kilowatt hour. Di masakit yun. Yung average rate mo is about 5 pesos and all of a sudden you get a 9 peso bill, you're going to hit the roof times the amount of kilowatt hours consumed. So, ang kailangan po nila, magiging talagang proactive. You have to plan 5, 10, 15 years in advance. At wala mo silang plano. So, I already asked the President to change Secretary Pitilla. Hindi naman eh, more of the same. Nakita muna ako. O nakita mo na ngayon, nagsalita na yung mga malalaking generating sector na what's happening? Bakit ganito nangyayari? Eh sila na nagpuproduce ng power. And hinihingi nila sa Presidente, can you please give us your plans for the energy sector? In other words, wala kayong plans. That is the situation today, and I'm totally unhappy with the performance of the Energy Department.
So, sir, when is your plan to schedule him for confirmation?
When the time is right.
And when is the right time, sir?
That will happen when I realize it is the right time.